lads.
We've already been working on it this morning, so that's why she's on the bricks. But look at the weather, guys. So Jess is behind us. We've got a big lump of snow right in my windscreen. I can't see anything, man. We're gonna go to a couple of empty car parks, like some like foresty car park things. We can have a bit of fun. Well, I live in a main road, so we're gonna have to just go for a 5-minute drive and go somewhere a little bit more foresty. Right, we're gonna turn in here, see what it's like. Might be busy, might be quiet. Let's see. My guess is it's going to be quite busy because people are going to be coming for walks, but we might be able to have a little bit of a play. I mean, the roads here are quite slushy, so it means a lot of cars have been coming through. Jesse's taking ages like he usually does, thinking his car's as lower than it is. Yeah, go on, mate. You're not hitting it. You've still not hit it. You still not hit it. If the front bit's not hit, the back bit's not hit. Here we go, boys. I'm gonna come down this bit here.
This is sick.
I definitely hit a curve over there. I hope I didn't hit my wheel. Let me have a look. Nah, we're good, we're good, we're good. There's some bumps and they're so annoying. There's 2 little bumps. These little speed bumps are well annoying.
I didn't even see it.
I know, man.
I'm gonna set the camera up.
Hey, yeah, go on. Oh dear. Nearly ran me over.
Looks so sick. I don't understand how sick they look in the snow.
Does it?
Honestly, if you could see that.
Wait, we got some people joining. There's a Scooby coming. There's a Scooby coming down. Here he is. Come on, Scooby lad. We got a vet throwing some fun. You better come down here. He's coming. Way. Way. He's going for him. Oh! Oh, them bumps. Man, this would be so much better with winter tyres. This is horrible with semi-slicks.
Thumbnail.
This is so horrible with semi-slicks, mate. I'm just slipping everywhere.
You brake and the old car just goes in one direction.
Yeah. See, the Subaru's loving it. He's got traction on the front. I don't have any. Look at the Scooby, man. Oh! Looks so good, man. We're in the second one here. Here we go, this is good. It's not as slippy, this one, to be fair. Woo! Yeah, it's not slippy, is it?
I come flying off.
It's quite better for going fast, like, but...
I know, I was going around that.
Yeah, I need to stop ripping my handbrake so much. Venture hasn't been that successful. We've found like 2 places out of about 6 or 7 that we've looked. And now we've worked up an appetite, so we're gonna go and get a Mackie D's. And I think we're gonna sit in as well. Because, yeah, I'm not going for the drive-thru. Can't go, let's go and sit in. I wanna sit inside and eat. Oh, actually, there might be a ton of kids in there, so maybe it might not be the best. Let's see if Jessie comes back round. Adios. Goodbye, goodbye. Right, we started off well. We went to a place called Pennington Flash and it was great, and then we got a little bit greedy. We tried to go somewhere else thinking we could find somewhere better, and we just never found anywhere better. But it's just slush everywhere and it's crap now, so we're calling it a day. This guy. Go on, love. Cutting hell, cutting line in hell. But I'm gonna go home. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go to the gym. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bit more like a raw sort of footage sort of thing. Hope it's interesting. See you later, lads.